Thousands of officers on the streets of New York City mourning the loss of one of their own. 22-year-old officer Jason Rivera was killed in the line of duty. His 27-year-old partner, Wilbert Mora, also murdered. Last month, 4 officers were shot in a single week. Mayor Eric Adams has promised action.
Gun violence is a public health crisis. There's no time to wait. We must act. The sea of violence comes from many rivers. We must dam every river that feeds this greater crisis.
The mayor's blueprint to end gun violence promises more cops on the street and for the controversial plainclothes unit within the New York Police Department to be resurrected.
Perception of the people who own and use illegal guns will change. They will know that there are police officers now on the streets looking for them. And obviously we'll be able to mitigate. Is it going to happen overnight? No. I think it will take a few months minimum.
The mayor says it will take collective action to tackle this public health crisis. There were more than 1,500 shootings in the city in 2020. That's more than twice as many as the year before. And the number of shootings climbed again in 2021. Mayor Adams is seeking state and federal help to buck this trend. That includes calls for criminal justice reform and tougher gun trafficking laws to clamp down on the so-called iron pipeline.
We've done the Band-Aid too long, and while we've done that, young people have lost life. Young people have gone either to the grave or the cage in prison. And this will help to stop that. It will help to ease the flow of guns.
The city estimates at least 250,000 young people between the ages of 16 and 24 are out of school or work. The Adams administration plans to expand employment opportunities for at-risk New Yorkers.
When you improve socioeconomic issues like better employment, better education, better medical and mental health, guess what happens to the violence in the communities? It decreases drastically.
Eric Adams says gun violence is an epidemic. Stemming this surge in shootings will be a major test of his fledgling administration. William Denselow, CGTN, New York.